This is a 2 BHK apartment in Mahim West at Mughal Lane, and this is near to Bhandar Gali. A very spacious flat. So it's a wooden safety door. This side is a main door. So this is a basically 1 BHK flat, and this is converted to 2 BHK, but it is very spacious. The carpet area of this flat is 530 square feet. So this flat is available for rent, and also this is available for sale also if you are interested. So this is a hall, very spacious hall. You are getting an AC, sofa, a dining table, TV unit. So here is a big window. This apartment is situated at very peaceful location in Mahim West. Very quiet place. So this is a living room, quite spacious. This side is a kitchen. You are getting a modular kitchen over here. Here you can see some trolleys. You get a granite platform and a stainless steel sink. Water is available 24 hours in this flat. You can see a chimney over here. I will show you from this side also. So that was the entrance. This is a living room. So this side is another bedroom. In this bedroom you get a washroom also. So this is a 2 BHK flat available for rent in Mahim West. This is near Bhandar Gali. Very peaceful location. There is a parking space for two-wheeler, and four-wheeler you can keep it outside. Lot of space is there for four-wheeler. Here you get a wardrobe. I will show you once again this bedroom. So this is a 2 BHK apartment in Mahim West for rent, Mumbai. So the rent of this apartment is 50,000 rupees per month, and if you are interested you can call me on the given number. And if you want to purchase this flat, this is a 1 BHK apartment but converted to 2 BHK. And if you want to purchase it, the price is around 2 crores. So if you are interested to purchase this apartment, please let me know. You can call me on the given number. So this property is on the first floor. It's a total 3-floor building. There is no lift. Here is a staircase. So this was a 2 BHK apartment for rent in Mahim West near Bhandar Gali, and if you are interested you can call me on the given number. Thank you.